Realme launched its new affordable 5G phone under P4 series in India called Realme P4 LITE, with quiet cool-looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme P4 LITE 5G features a tall 6.8-inch HD Plus display, with up to 144Hz refresh rate and up to 900 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by Panda glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, with microSD expansion support via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme P4 LITE 5G sports a 13-megapixel main camera on the rear, with f2.2 aperture, and for selfies it has 5-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7,000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box, with Realme UI 7 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.3 by 78.1 by 8.4 millimeters, and it weighs around 212 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme P4 LITE 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 11,999 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 12,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 14,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from March 25th, in mosaic blue and mosaic green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme P4 LITE 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.